Welcome everyone. Today we will try to tell about how to make money from TikTok. TikTok is a social media platform that has become increasingly popular over the last few years. With its massive user base and the ability to reach a global audience, it's no surprise that many people are looking for ways to make money from TikTok. Here are some ways to monetize your TikTok account and turn your content creation into a lucrative source of income. 1. Sponsorships and brand deals. Sponsorships and brand deals are one of the most common ways for TikTok creators to monetize their accounts. Brands will pay creators to promote their products or services on their TikTok account. The key to getting sponsored is to build a large and engaged following, so make sure to create high-quality content that resonates with your audience. 2. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a form of marketing where you promote other people's products and earn a commission for every sale you generate. You can include affiliate links in your TikTok videos or your bio, and earn a commission for every sale that comes through your link. 3. Selling merchandise. If you have a loyal following on TikTok, you can consider selling merchandise related to your brand. You can create custom products like t-shirts, hoodies, or phone cases, and promote them on your TikTok account. 4. Live streaming. TikTok offers a feature called live streaming that allows creators to broadcast live to their followers. During your live stream, you can receive gifts from your viewers, which can be converted into real money. You can also use your live stream to promote your other monetization methods, like sponsored content or merchandise. 5. Crowdfunding. Crowdfunding is a way to raise money from your followers to support your creative projects. You can use crowdfunding platforms like Patreon or Kickstarter to raise money for your content creation. In return, you can offer exclusive content or rewards to your supporters. 6. TikTok Creator Fund. The TikTok Creator Fund is a program that pays eligible creators for their content. To be eligible, you need to have at least 100,000 followers, have generated at least 100,000 video views in the last 30 days, and be at least 18 years old. The amount you can earn depends on various factors like views, engagement, and location. In conclusion, there are various ways to monetize your TikTok account, and the key is to create high-quality content that resonates with your audience. Once you have built a large and engaged following, you can explore different monetization methods like sponsorships, affiliate marketing, selling merchandise, live streaming, crowdfunding, and the TikTok Creator Fund. Remember that building a successful TikTok account takes time and effort, but with patience and persistence, you can turn your passion for content creation into a lucrative source of income. Thank you very much for being with us. Click the subscribe button next to get the best videos. Everyone will be fine.